Today we're going to talk about making quizzes through Google Forms. To get there, you need to type forms.google.com in your address bar, and you can make blank forms or do a blank quiz. We're going to do a blank quiz, and we're going to name our quiz Friday Math. On the right-hand side, you will notice add a question. You can adjust your title and description, add images, add videos, and this is to add a section. Today, we're going to do the simple questions, such as multiple choice, check boxes, short answer, and paragraph. In an advanced class, we would talk about drop-down, upload files, and all of the options at the bottom. So our first question is going to be 5 times 4 equals, and we're doing multiple choice. So option 1, you put your options, 15, and you click on answer key. Now we're going to answer the 5 times 4 is 20. And if you notice, I need to edit the question. So we come back up here and equal. Make it a required question. Go to the plus sign, add a question. The second question is going to be select 2 equations that equal 20. This one's going to be check boxes. You want more than one answer. You have 2, 5 times 4, 4 plus 4, plus 4, 2 times 10, and 10 plus 9. Now we do our answer key. The 2 answers for 20 are 5 times 4 and 2 times 10. The next question we're going to do is going to be a short answer. So for this one, I'm going to say use the image to answer use the image to answer. We're going to make it a short answer. And right here, I'm going to insert an image. We're using this image I have of a short answer problem. The answer goes right here underneath, and the answer key is at the bottom. A next form I have question is a paragraph, and I would use explain how you find the missing factor in this equation. And the equation would be 81 equals 9 times n. This one would be a paragraph form, and you would make it required. I would make sure all the questions are required. That way they have to answer every question, and students can't leave any of them blank. If you want to see your form, this is what it looks like in the test. It requires, the red asterisk means you have to answer it. On the quiz, you can set it up to where you automatically collect people's email addresses, limit 1 response per student. The presentation will show the progress bar and confirm message. You can say, thanks for completing this quiz. Quizzes, you can make, it's made a quiz. Immediately after each submission, it will give the answers back and show the students which answer they missed. And this is how you do quizzes in forms.
The Google form results tell us that our most frequently missed question was which one?
Basketball.
It was the basketball question. Look at the format of that question. What do you think made that the most missed question? The question asked you to select two. How many of you forgot and only selected one? So you have to read your questions carefully, because that is the reason this has been the most missed question today. It asked you to select two correct answers. Well, it only takes a few seconds to create the actual quiz. My students can access the link via Google Classroom, so it's a seamless transfer of the link. The results are instant for me. Each block can take the quiz, and then as I look at the results, I can quickly pick my small groups based on which questions they missed, and we can go over every question with every kid. I like the way the data is presented, not only in the Google form with the charts and the graphs, but also in the spreadsheet. I can sort the spreadsheet based on the chronological time it was taken, which sorts it into block. I can sort it by which child missed question 1, 2, or 3. I really like being able to snip the release test result questions from the PDFs online and place them into the Google form as a JPEG. And so that helps me also see which children are not ready for our spring test through these quick little quizzes.